Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a new WhatsApp business number for our Meta Ads account. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to business.facebook.com. So you need to access your Facebook Business Manager or your Meta Business Suite. Is the same thing. Whichever tool you are using, you are going to click on settings on the bottom left hand side. And once you click on settings, you're going to come to this screen. From the left hand side, you're going to select WhatsApp accounts under the accounts drop down menu. And here, all we have to do is to click on the add button. Here, we're going to say we want to create a new WhatsApp business account. Now, there are essentially two options here. Either you have already a WhatsApp number and you want to use this WhatsApp number to create a business account. You have a WhatsApp number which is not WhatsApp business and you want basically to convert it to a WhatsApp business account and connect it to your Meta Business Suite, Meta Business Manager. Or you don't have a number at all and you want to create a new WhatsApp business account basically. In both cases, you are going to select basically the name of your company, the category of your company, then you're going to click continue here. And when you go to the phone number, there are these two options here. If you already have a number that is not WhatsApp business, you are going to click add a new number. You're going to fill in your number here, whatever country it is in. And then in the next step, you should be able to verify. So the system will send you a text message to verify that this number is actually a valid number, a valid WhatsApp number. This is the easiest way. If you already have a number that is not business and you want to convert it to WhatsApp business connected to your Meta Ads Manager, this is the easiest way to do it. Or if you don't have a number at all, you can say use a display name only. Then here you're going to click continue. The system is going to verify your details to understand if you are a legit business. And then it will create a WhatsApp business account without an actual number. So the first two that you see here is basically WhatsApp business account that is only relevant to basically communicating through your Meta Ads Manager. You can use it basically for your Meta Ads and so forth. Now, once you created these accounts and let's say you attach them to your ads, where can you see the messages that are coming in? In this case, what we need to do is we need to open here all tools, or if you are in the Meta Business Suite, you should be able to see inbox basically under engaged audience. So we need to basically click on inbox. If you are on Meta Business Suite, you're going to find it basically here on the left-hand side. And here you're going to see the WhatsApp option. So you're going to click the WhatsApp option, and from here, basically, you're going to get started, connect again here in this screen, the account that you already onboarded. And that's where you should be able to see basically all the incoming messages, especially if you created a WhatsApp business account, basically with the display name only. This is going to be super useful for you. So that's all. That's it for this video. I hope it was useful and you were able to either connect a WhatsApp number and convert it to a business account in your Meta Ads, or create a display only WhatsApp business account. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.